Hi everyone, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness. We have another satisfied Reflux Shield customer. So we have Winnie here, who has been using the Reflux Shield for the past 2 weeks, week and a half?
Less than that, right?
Less than that?
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's been a week only. Anyway, she didn't really have the traditional acid reflux, GERD, or the traditional symptoms that a lot of you people out there have. She had just a chronic cough, correct?
Right. 10 months.
Yeah, so a really chronic cough gets worse when she lays down, and she'll tell you now how she feels after a week.
After last Friday, the fourth treatment, when I walk out the door, I felt the difference in my stomach. It's less full feeling. I never feel hungry, so it's always full, uncomfortable. But when I walked out, I felt the difference. So now the stomach, I thought it's almost settled. And also I tried the shield, but I couldn't press as accurately and as powerfully as doctor does. So.
Okay, so she said that she had like bloating and unsettled feeling in her stomach, and after the first treatment, it helped. Fourth treatment, sorry. It helped with that feeling. Her stomach felt more settled. Your cough got better as well?
Yes.
Okay, and how much improvement would you say you've had so far in a week?
I would say 50%.
Okay, 50%? Okay.
Yeah. And the coughing, I would say 40%.
And the cough 40%, and that's 1 week. So you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to refluxshield.com, and thanks for supporting us, and I hope you get the relief you deserve, because we all deserve digestive discomfort relief, and that's the goal of the Reflux Shield, is to give you that, to give you control of that again so you can eat what you want. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.